This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Filippone. It is a ranch-style home with all of the comforts of home, living room, eat-in kitchen area, laundry room, good-sized bedrooms, and closest for this age home, it has been freshly painted, and many floors have been updated. Large backyard with 2 sheds, nice kitchen cabinets, and appliances situated on a large corner lot, in a quiet neighborhood, just ready for you to make it yours. August 17, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Filippone at 1757-418-1957.